Welcome to part 2 of BioPed Footcare's Life Hacks for your feet. We have 5 life hacks that will leave your feet feeling happy, healthy, and ready for anything you throw at them. And all you'll need is common household items, so no need to purchase anything new. Our first life hack is great if you have stained soles on the bottom of your shoe. White soles can attract lots of dirt, especially if you're an avid trail runner. One way to clean all of this mud is to purchase a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. This works great to remove the stains and the deep dirt that is trapped inside the sole of the shoe. To do this, simply wet the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and then wipe it on the sole of the shoe in circular motions until all the dirt comes off. Once finished, wipe it off with a wet towel. Our next life hack is great if you have smelly shoes. One way to remove this smell is by using hydrogen peroxide and putting it in a spray bottle. Next, take your spray bottle and spray it 10 to 15 times into the sole of the shoe. This will suck up all the odors and make sure that you have no scent left behind. Sweaty feet are never fun, and they can also lead to bacteria and odor buildup in your favorite footwear. Not to worry, we'll soak the sweat right up with some dry shampoo. Begin by taking a pair of shoes that you notice you sweat a lot in. Then, take a bottle of dry shampoo and spray it for 10 to 15 seconds on the footbed of the footwear. Let it sit for a few minutes and put the shoes back on. No more wet, sweaty feet. Number 4 is a critical life hack for those who have shoes without a lot of traction or grip. Shoes with flat, slick, slippery bottoms are very dangerous, as they can lead to slips and falls. One thing you can do to help add some grip to these shoes is take some sandpaper and scuff the bottoms up. This will remove the shiny and slippery material and make them a lot more grippy. Our last life hack is great for anyone who wears dress shoes on a frequent basis. If you have a hard time getting those shoes clean, one thing you can do is try some glass cleaner. Take a bottle of glass cleaner and spray it on the shoes. Let it sit for a few seconds and then wipe it off with a soft cloth. We hope you liked our part 2 to footwear life hacks. If you have any questions about your feet, or if you want to learn more about our services, visit www.bioped.com/locations.